unique autos. We got another day where we got a lot to do, so let's get started. So today we've got quite a bit to do. Well, first of all, we've got to sort out this Polo GTI that we're working on. We're doing a timing chain, so this is a, from what I believe, 2017 Polo GTI. So what we've done so far, we've taken the rad pack out with the headlights, and we've basically removed the engine out of the car to a certain extent. We've taken the casing off. What we're going to do is we're going to put this upgraded timing chain on, which has these grooves. So this is the non-slip one, aftermarket, all the way from Greece, provided from RTMG. So as you can see, the grooves sit inside the cog like that. So original one, it doesn't have the slot in there. As you can see, it doesn't have the slots in there. So they are very prone to slipping. What else? Don't know.
What I can say is a messy job. Yeah, if you know what you're doing, trust me, mate, you lose out.
So now we're gonna put this aftermarket one in, and we'll get back. So what Dan is doing right now, he's putting the timing tool into the back of the cam.
If you don't take this pipe out, you will never gonna be able to lock the camshaft in.
Okay.
Yeah.
We also lock the crank, which is where the drive shaft sits. Near there. There it is. That's the one. Take this out and lock it there. And that's one just in top dead center. That should lock the engine into place for you to change the timing chain. So we replaced. We took the sump off.
Yes, to change the cog.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they are different. You can't use the standard one back. They come as a kit. And remember, these chain, you can't get it in UK. It has to be from Greece, from Europe, from main dealer. So these are for life. They're never gonna slip again. They might gonna stretch, but they are absolutely upgraded. Yeah, they're very good. So that's it. We just already put everything back on, and then touch wood, should be everything okay.
Okay. So we got that all put back together. It's just put the engine back in, put the bits back in, and we're done.
Timing chain is done, so thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.